we should think of product development. There are numerous industries. Corona වලට හොයාගත්ත. So it's a product. Yeah, it's an Ayurvedic solution, it's a it's a solution. Somehow it's a product he developed. He tried it and finally it looked proven. I think it's from K-Gold side. So it's a product. Pfizer in UK, maybe the big pharmaceutical companies, even in US, they are also trying to find what? Vaccines. Why? They are trying to find vaccines not to cure people but to make money. They are different. But our local, that Ayurvedic solutions, that's why. So it's a product to cure the people. I think so far success rate is 100%. Even president is supporting that. So even you can try that kind of things. So there is no any limitations, no boundaries. So you can look into any product development. So developing the products, there can be involvement of designs and all. So today, I'm not talking about the practical aspects of development, but the importance of development. Because if you know the importance of development, you will venture into those. Yeah, even in a smaller ways, you will venture into those. Yeah. So that is very, very important to understand the importance of developing products, innovating products. And that's why. So that is very important. When you develop, you can think about the socio-economic sustainability and all the things. Yeah. And you can go into that. So, of course, when it comes to the standard big companies, there are development approaches. There are development approaches. Later we are going to discuss this, not today. What they first do is they do market research. Yes, what they first do is they do market research, because companies know that for them to be competitive, they should develop, they should innovate the products. They do market research. Then they do some pre-developments. Then they do some assessment about the development. They call it competitive assessment, because there can be competitors about the prices, performance, and the product features, whatever. They do the competitive assessments initially. Then they look into the, of course, the bottom line. To survive, the costing is important, so they do the cost analysis part, the basics, the functional cost analysis. So after that, they specify, they will do the specifications of the product. And they freeze the specification. They specify, these are the specifications. Then they confirm the development. Okay. Then they have to do the designing part. Okay. Designing part, then some prototype makings again. Okay. And then the further cost analysis. With the prototyping, they do some field tests maybe. Then do the failure modes evaluations. They do the quality assessments. I think I have discussed this a bit with you. Okay. And also they do the prototyping. Okay. The Puta, no shared screen at this time. Eh? Yeah, no shared screen at this time. Yeah. Prototyping. You have to listen very well. Eh? Yeah. So today's a bit compact one. Then again, after do the prototyping, some comparison with the competitors, and maybe the second stage of quality assessments, failure modes. Yeah. And then there you have to set up basic production facilities maybe. Then you have to go for the pilot scale productions. Then after that, some field tests, some more quality assessments, and that kind of later. So once you confirm it, you will produce in mass scale and you introduce the products to market. Means in a development of products. Of course, you have to repeat it because product cycles will come one over the other. So finally, for the companies to survive, they will look into product development based on market research and to identify the customer needs. And they do the development not because of the customers, but they need to innovate the products for them to survive. Otherwise, they will be out of business. They will be out of business. Okay. So that's the situation. So that's all for today. So today I just talk about how important the product development